motor, which means that I've got to pump it from the tank up here through the barrel valve, through the injector lines to the nozzles inside this injector. So we run it dry every time we shut it off. So I'm going to have to prime it. That's what this bottle's for. Okay, so I'm going to have Mr. Flat on the starter button running it for me. Okay? Now, I'm going to tell you, you can record this all you want, but your camera phones won't do the sound. Okay? Way too loud. So, what we're going to do here...
Oh, this looks beast. Where's my key at? That's going to stand right here. Do it. Ah, wait! That's how loud it is. No, Michael's right there.
Now, what you're going to do is you're going to use two hands, one on the buzzer, one on the flip. That's the max switch. I'm going to squirt it. You're going to go count to 3 and then flip it.
After it started? After...
Hang on, Flat. Yeah.
Okay. So now you're going to go...
Hit the starter?
Oh, damn. Oh, Pablo. Oh, damn. Oh, shit. Oh!
Flat! Come on, Flat.
You're fired.
No. Don't blame wrong witness. I feel you go.